Hi, this is Design Guy. I'll show you the fastest way to set your ringtone on your iPhone or iPad. To change the ringtone on your iPhone, we'll first head to the Settings app, which is where you control various aspects of your device. From there, we'll navigate to the Sound and Haptics section, as this is where all your audio settings, including ringtones, are managed. This is a straightforward process, and by going to Sound and Haptics, we're directly accessing the menu that allows us to customize our device's sounds. Now, we'll open the ringtone section. This is where you get to choose from a variety of sounds to personalize your iPhone's ringtone, allowing you to select whatever ringtone you want to keep as your default. As you'll notice, a ringtone is already set by default, but we can easily change this if we want to. We can choose to do nothing and stick with the default classic ringtone, or we can pick something entirely different. The choice is yours, and changing it is as simple as selecting a new one from the list provided. The beauty of customizing your ringtone is that you can select whatever ringtone you like, giving you the freedom to personalize your iPhone to your unique taste and style preferences. We will go back now, confirming our new ringtone has been successfully changed already today. If you want to check and make sure the ringtone is changed, you can increase the volume from the volume controls and give it a listen. This way, you'll know for sure that your new ringtone is active and ready to go. Our ringtone has indeed changed. Set your new ringtone with ease. Check the description for a special deal. Like and subscribe.